Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station. I'm looking for the train station. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Can I walk there? Can I walk there? Which way should I go? Which way should I go? Go straight for 2 blocks. Go straight for 2 blocks. Do I turn left or right? Do I turn left or right? Turn right at the traffic light. Turn right at the traffic light. The station is on your left. The station is on your left. It's next to a small cafe. It's next to a small cafe. How long does it take to walk? How long does it take to walk? About 10 minutes on foot. About 10 minutes on foot. Can I take a bus instead? Can I take a bus instead? Is there a map nearby? Is there a map nearby? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? The stop is across the street. The stop is across the street. Which bus should I take? Which bus should I take? Take bus number 12. Take bus number 12. Do I need to cross the road? Do I need to cross the road? Yes, cross at the corner. Yes, cross at the corner. I'm trying to find my hotel. I'm trying to find my hotel. Is this the right direction? Is this the right direction? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? It's opposite the post office. It's opposite the post office. Did I miss the turn? Did I miss the turn? You passed it already. You passed it already. Go back 1 block. Go back 1 block. The hotel is on the corner. The hotel is on the corner. Is the museum open today? Is the museum open today? Yes, it opens at 9. Yes, it opens at 9. Is it near the city center? Is it near the city center? Yes, it's very close. Yes, it's very close. Can I reach it by subway? Can I reach it by subway? Take the blue line. Take the blue line. Get off at Central Station. Get off at Central Station. Use exit number 3. Use exit number 3. Walk straight after the exit. Walk straight after the exit. You will see a big sign. You will see a big sign. The museum is behind it. The museum is behind it. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. How do I get to the bus terminal? How do I get to the bus terminal? Is it on this street? Is it on this street? No, it's 2 streets away. No, it's 2 streets away. Turn left at the bank. Turn left at the bank. Keep walking until the bridge. Keep walking until the bridge. Cross the bridge carefully. Cross the bridge carefully. The terminal is on the right. The terminal is on the right. Can I take a taxi instead? Can I take a taxi instead? Yes, taxis stop over there. Yes, taxis stop over there. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.